customizing a throttle cable for the mid-engine swap. Things that I'm going to be using is a normal throttle cable already from a Honda. I'm going to be using this piece right here, and I'm going to be using this with this little bushing and this little clip so it could click onto the pedal. I'll be using the cable for the gas lid from an Acura Integra. Spare parts that I have laying around. So I have the end cut off. Gotta cut off this end and then cut up this one. I do have the cable that I need. So I have all the pieces that I need for my throttle cable. I installed it, ran through. Gotta check the other side. Just goes in there and twists this over. That's that piece right there that I was talking about. So all I gotta do is cut this cable. So the last thing is to lock up that piece. I have purchased a lock nut. For the meantime, I'll use this. So I'll drill out a hole, stick the wire through and pull it out through one side. On the opposite side, I'll put a bolt and it'll lock it up in place. And then we got fully functioning pedal. So there's the pilot hole. You just have to go through one side. So it locks up in here. Gotta put my little lock right here, but that's how it is. It's not the best way to do it, but it's done. So now we have a fully functioning gas pedal. I'll just need to adjust it a little bit, but it's almost at 100. Six A in, fuel lines cut up. Gotta do the 4 A in. I had that one blocked off, and then this one's gonna get a filter. The line's running through. It's gonna go under through the tunnel. I'll have some brackets for it. For the meantime, I'm just gonna connect everything, make sure that everything connects good. So the fuel system is very simple. From the tank to the pump, from the pump to the rail, and then of course my return system, which is gonna go straight from the fuel pressure regulator to the tank. I left a little slack so I can clean up the lines a little, run them a little bit to the side, but for the meantime, they'll be going like this on the inside. I'm thinking that maybe a 90 would do better than a 45. I mean, there is a lot of slack, you don't notice it because it's hanging actually, but both lines connected. They're both in. The feed and the return are both mounted up. Major update. I have everything basically put off to the side. I've been working trying to get this to start. Alright, with the base map loaded up, the battery's almost dead. I was priming it for a little bit. I'm gonna turn this on. I had to get a new fuel pump. The old one gave out. All right, here goes nothing. I'm a little bit more motivated to get this car done. I've been pushing it off to the side. I have been waiting on a couple parts. I'm gonna go ahead and do the shifter box. I'm gonna get everything done, and here in the next video we're gonna take it down the road. I have the coolant tubes purchased. I have the radiator set. It's getting welded at the moment, and I am converting to AN fittings. So the bung on the top neck right there is going to get welded. I just need to send that one off, but I have everything already. Do everything in my power to get this car rolling. This is it, boys. Kpro V4 5 lug mid-engine swap.